Hello, class 9 students, RK Bansal students. Today I am going to start the next part of your video, and in the last class I have done till question number 15 of exercise 4A. Question number 16 I believe I told you how to do at your own homes. Now we are going to start with the new exercise, that is exercise 4B. Okay, so let's start exercise 4B. Okay, RK Bansal book, RK Bansal, class 9 students. Okay, so the first question is find the cube. So part 1, 3a minus 2b whole cube. Okay, so this is a minus b whole cube. So what is the formula? A cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b, a minus b. Okay, everything is in minus. Everything is in minus for a minus b whole cube. I'm writing the formula for you over here. A minus b whole cube. You can go to M.L. Agarwal expansion chapter and see the first two parts, then you'll understand I have introduced this chapter over there. Okay, so it's a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. So here what is the a? So this is the formula. This is the formula that I have used. This whole thing is a and this whole thing is b. So a cube minus b cube, see, minus 3 is already there by default. 3a, this is a, 3a and 2b, then a minus b. Simple. Now after that, just copy this left part is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27a cube minus 8b cube minus 3 3 9 9 2s are 18 ab 3a minus 2b. Those of you who don't want to do this extra step, you can just multiply and write the answer, final answer. So 3a minus 2b whole cube. These questions are very easy, okay. These questions you just have to understand. So 1 mark question, very easy. We'll go on to the more difficult questions. That will be very nice to solve. For now, just understand these are just easy parts. These are the first two exercises, 4A, 4B, and then after that we'll carry on. As you go on to the new exercises, the next exercises I mean, then you'll see the questions are getting more and more difficult. Okay, but it won't get that difficult also. 8, 3, 24, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, 54. So minus 54 a square b plus 18 to 36 a b square. Okay, so that's your final answer. Let me confirm this answer for you. So that's exercise 4B. Okay, these I forgot, these answers are not there, but this answer page is not there. Okay, but anyways, you just check it out, check the calculation. 3 3 9 9 3 27, 2 2 4 4 2s are 8, and then this is 9 2 18, 18 into 3, then 54 8 3 24, 3 1 3 4 5, 54 plus 18 2s are 36 a b square. See, a b and a is getting multiplied, so a square, 2 a's, a square b, and over here 2 b's, so a b square. That's it. Let's go on to the next question. Actually the next question is just with a plus and then cube it. So for the plus, it will be the same formula and everything will be a plus. Okay, so part 2 of question number 1, that is 5a plus 3b whole cube, that is 5a cube plus 3b whole cube, 3 into 5a into 3b and 5a plus 3b. Okay, everything is a plus. Now you don't have to copy this every time. You can write this one, the left hand side at the starting and right at the end when you get the answer. You don't have to copy it every time. That's 125a cube plus 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27b cube plus 5 3s are 15, 15 into 3, how much? 45. 5 3 1 5, 3 1s are 3, 4, 45. So see, I am also trying and doing the calculation with you, along with you, so that in the exam, how you're going to do it, you're going to do it like this. So that is now 125a cube plus 27b cube plus, now multiply this 45 into 5, make a rough work column. That's how you're going to do in the exam. 5 5 25, 5 4 20, 21 22. 225, 225, that is a square b plus 45 into 3, 45 into 3, 5 3 15, 4 3s are 12, plus 1 is 13, 135 a b square. Okay, that's your final answer. Now you can write the left hand side, 3b whole cube. Make sure you write it over here at last. You don't have to write them in the middle. Okay, so that's your part 2. Let's go on to part 3, and then I can give part 4 for you guys to do at home. Okay, let's go ahead and do part 3. So part 3 is again 2a plus 1 by 2a whole cube. Okay, so 2a whole cube plus 1 by 2a whole cube plus 3 into 2a into 1 by 2a, 2a plus 1 by 2a. Okay, see. Look very carefully. A cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b. Okay. Now from here, solve it. 8a cube plus 1 by 8a cube. 1 is multiplied 3 times. You multiply 1 100 times also, it will be 1. Cut that out. Plus 3, 2a plus 1 by 2a. Okay. Next, 8a cube plus 1 by 8a cube plus 6a plus 3 by 2a. Check it out. So, check the calculation. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Same thing over here. 3 2s are 6 here. And that 3 got multiplied with a 1 over here. 3 by 2. That's your answer. Final answer. Okay. Let's go on to the next. The part 4 is this. This is the part 4. All of you all can do at home. Part 4. This is part 4. 3a minus 1 by 8 is whole cube. Do this at home. Answer. Don't worry about it. If you have followed the correct method, if you follow the correct method, you will get the correct answer. You don't need to worry about the answer. If you guys can solve it, send it to me. I'll check the answer. Okay. So that is done. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 is gone for homework. Next question. Now we are going on to the nice ones. Question number 2. It's saying, given a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 47. This is given to you already. Now you have to find first one. Now this is also another easy. A plus 1 by a. Very easy. Just square it. So that is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a. A plus b whole square. Okay. A is this, b is this. Assume that this is a already. You don't have to assume. 1 by a is b. So that is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. See, square this whole thing. 1 is squared 2 times. It's 1. Don't have to worry about the 1. This one is a square only. This 2 into a into 1 by a. Cut the a's. You're left with 47 plus 2. That is 49. Now you do what? This till here it is 1 by a plus 1 by, sorry, a plus 1 by a is whole square. Now a plus 1 by a will now become root over of 49. As you write this as a root over, you make sure you put plus 9. Now some of you all make a mistake. You put a square here and a root over here. Now that is a mistake. Make sure you don't do that. Okay. Basic, the actual calculation is this. The root over on both sides. Okay. A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to root over of 49. Now this half, root over means half. This is a half and that is a 2. 2 and a half got cancelled. 2 and the half. That 2 and this half got cancelled. Now you are left with just a plus 1 by a. You don't have to do this. You can just do directly this one. Okay. No problem. You'll still get your full marks. So a plus 1 by a is equal to plus minus 7. So there are two values. One is plus 7 and the other is minus 7. Okay, so that's your answer. Okay, let's go on to the second part of this question, that is a cube plus 1 by a cube. You have to find a cube plus 1 by a cube. This is part 1. Okay, you guys can copy it later on. I hope you all understood. Now let's go on to the part 2. That is a cube plus 1 by a cube you have to find. Do you have a formula for a cube plus 1 by a cube? Now if you say yes, I do have a formula, it's written in my formula page, but then you have made this formula for a cube plus 1 by a cube. The basic formula is the whole cube. A plus b whole cube. See look, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Look, 3ab a plus b. Now if you say yes sir, I have a formula for a cube plus b cube. Okay, how? Because my sir has given it to me. A cube plus b cube is this. But how does it come out? A cube plus b cube. See, it will come out from here. See, the formula will come out. A plus b. You don't have to do this. Okay. Minus 3ab. Take it this side. A plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube. This is your formula. Okay. Now what happens? You take out the a plus b common. So what you get is a plus b whole square minus 3ab, which is equal to a cube plus b cube. Okay, now look over here. What happens? A plus b is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab, okay, is equal to a cube plus b cube. Now a plus b is a square plus b square minus ab. So your sir has given you, or anybody, any great or good maths teacher will definitely give you a formula like this to make your work easy for you. Okay, but then how does it come out? It comes out from this formula. So you all must have got this formula already with you in your formula page in your school. So if you want to use this formula, you can go ahead and use this formula. Just put in the values. This is a, is this a, this b is this 1 by a, put it over here, a plus 1 by a, then over here, because a plus 1 by a we already got, right, in the first part. A plus 1 by a is plus minus 7. You can put it over here. Then a square plus 1 by a square is given to you. Put this 27, then a into 1 by a will get cancelled. You can put it in this formula and solve your question. But those of you who don't want to do this and want to do my way, then you all can use this one. That way you have less formulas to learn, because most of you all learn the formula. You don't know how to make it. Okay, it's not easy for everybody to make it. Okay, so I don't expect you all also to go ahead and sit down in your exam hall and make the formula. So I'm trying to make your burden less. Okay, so learn less formulas. Don't have to learn so many. Try and just manipulate the question, or try and make the question in such a way that the answer will come out. Okay, but you don't have to learn an extra formula for that. So you can start with this. Okay, I'm wasting too much time talking. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a into 1 by a. Okay, a plus 1 by a. So I've used this formula. You guys can check it out. I have written a b over here. That is a very big mistake. 1 mark will get cut. Okay, a plus 1 by a whole cube, a cube plus 1 by a cube, 3 into a into 1 by a, and a plus 1 by a. Now that's my answer for a plus 1 by a. I'm rubbing off this part so that you guys don't get confused. Okay. So a plus 1 by a is what? 7. You can write plus minus anything, you just write the 7, take the positive part. Okay, a cube plus 1 by a cube is the one that I have to find out. 3 into, cut it out, okay, then you have what? Into 7. Okay, next. So what do you have? 49 into 7, 7, 7, 9, 63, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 30, 34. 34, 343. 343 minus 21 is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. See, very easy, very nicely it's getting done. Yeah, then subtract it, that is 2 over here, another 2 over here, and this is that's the answer, a cube plus 1 by a cube. You don't have to worry about the plus minus. Okay, just keep it in a positive only, they will take your answer. Okay, now let's go on to the question number 3. It's a similar type of a question, but then I want to do it for you so that you'll have many like these types of questions. Okay, many examples like these. You can go to your example pages, examples in your book, and try and solve a few of them on your own, of course. Question number 3. It's given that a square, you can write this like this, given in the exam, given a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 18. Okay, and there is a condition also, it's given in the previous part. I didn't write this condition. In question number 2, please write that a is not equal to 0, because if a becomes 0, you have to write this condition. Okay, this is mathematics. If a becomes 0, then over here you cannot divide by a 0. Okay, that's a problem. So first part, the first part is a minus 1 by a. So a minus 1 by a, if you have to find out, just square it. That is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 into a into 1 by a. Okay, so this part is already given to you, 18. This is minus 2, that is 16. So that is a minus 1 by a whole square is 16. That's, why do I change the sign? A minus 1 by a is equal to plus minus 4. Okay, that's your answer for a minus 1 by a. 4 4s are 16. Next let's go on to the next part, a cube. Part 2, a cube minus 1 by a cube. You have to find out. So do you have a formula for this? Yes, of course you do. If you want to use it, use it. Even in your book it's given. So I want to do this way, a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into a into 1 by a minus 1 by a. So I'm just repeating the same formulas over and over again. Okay, so there's nothing to remember in it. A minus 1 by a is over here, that's 4 cube. This one is a cube minus 1 by a cube, cut it off, 3 into 4. Okay, take the positive as I already told you, don't worry about the negative. Again, then you will have 2 parts, again you will have 2 answers. You are in class 9, okay, you don't have to worry so much. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, plus 4 3s are 12. When you go on to higher classes, then you will learn much more of the mathematics, don't worry. 6 7 8, 6 plus 1 7, 78 is a cube minus 1 by a cube. So you've got your answer, that is 78. Check it out, check the calculation. 4 4 is 16, 64 is 64, that is a minus, of course. Then a minus 1 by a, I got it over here, that is a 4. Now I put the 4 over there, 4 3s are 12, that's a minus 12, came over here, became a plus 12. 4 plus 2 is, yes, mistake. So that, always trying to check it out. 4 plus 2 6 and 6 plus 1 7. Don't worry, simple mistakes. These things don't matter. Make sure you also check your work so that you don't make a mistake. Check it over here also. 18 minus 2, 16. Okay. Let's go on. Question number 3 had only 2 parts. Yes. Question number 3 is finished. Let's go on to question number 4. Okay. Okay, question number 4 is a very nice question because it does not have numbers, it has variables. So we'll try and prove. Given, we have to prove actually a plus 1 by a is equal to p. Okay, and the condition is also given, a is not equal to 0. Always a will not be equal to 0, otherwise there will be a problem. Now we have to prove. Okay, prove. I know many of you all don't like this proof. Don't worry about it. From now on, you will not say that you don't like it. Prove that or show that a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to p square minus 3. Look at it. You have to prove this. Okay. So let's start. That's given to you. Take that and square it. That is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 into a into 1 by a. Okay. Look very. Oh, that's cube. Mistake. Big mistake. Rub it off. Cut it out. So see first and then later on after that copy. That's why you should not make a mistake. That's why I'm making the mistakes. Small ones. A cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a into 1 by a plus 1 by a. Okay. Look. Alright. Now what do? Go ahead. Put the values of whatever you can see. See a plus 1 by a is p. So write it as p cube. Then a cube plus 1 by a cube you have to find. This is what you have to find. Huh? Now don't go ahead and put this value. Okay, this is what you have to find. Don't put this value. Okay. If you put this value, then you are finished. This is plus 3, then you will get lost in the exam. What have I done? So you shouldn't get lost. So into p. Okay. 3 into p, that got cancelled out. That's a 1. 3 into p, that's p. A plus 1 by s p. So this is p cube minus 3p is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. So that's what you have to find actually. So now you take out the p common. Yeah. That's the RHS. P square minus 3. Very simple actually. Okay. So that's your answer. You can mark this question as somewhat important question. Okay. RK Vansal students, it will come for your exam. Okay. If you are giving an offline exam. Okay. Then. We're still in the corona period. I don't know when it's going to finish. It's like a festival. Anyways, question number 5. Question number 5. What is it? It's a plus 2b. A plus 2b is equal to 5. Okay. Now then show that a cube plus 8 b cube plus 30 this is 25. You have to show this. What am I doing? ST. Show that a cube plus 8b cube, you have to show this, plus 30ab 30 is equal to 125. Okay, you have to show this. Now see what do you have to do? What do you have to do? What comes in your mind? What do you do now? Do you have a formula for that also? No, you don't. What do you do? That's cube everywhere. Cube it. So start with a plus 2b whole cube. A cube plus 2b whole cube plus 3 into a into 2b 3a plus 2b. No. Mistake. Here, mistake. A plus 2. Okay. Now, some of you also might want to do this. Okay. A plus 2b is equal to 5. Then cube here. You guys can do that also. Okay. No problem. Any way you like, you do it. You have to pass your exam. Okay. Now let's start. It's the same thing. Whatever that you'll do and I'm doing here is the same thing actually. A cube plus 8b cube plus 3 2s are 6. 6ab. Okay. Is ab given? 6ab. No, I need the ab. That's it. Okay, then this is 125 is equal to a cube plus 8b cube plus 6ab into 5. See, it's the same thing. 125 is equal to a cube plus 8b cube plus 30ab. You have proved it, right? Proved at the side, and be proud of yourself. Proved. Okay, so you have proved it. Now we go on to the next question. Question number 6. We will do only till question number 6 today. I will continue it in the next video. I'm thinking of making mixed videos, like different chapters also. So if you guys think that you want it, let me know. So I can mix up different chapters of class 9, and at least start with part 1s and part 2s of different chapters, so that you guys can solve a few questions on your own at home. Some of you will have tests on different chapters. Question number 6, last question for today. Question number 6. It's given a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 3. Okay, a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 3. And of course, a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. And show that a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 0. Show that a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 0. This is what you have to show. So what do you need? First of all, you start with this a plus 1 by a whole cube. So what do you need? A cube plus 1 by a cube's value you need. Okay, plus 3 into a into 1 by a plus 1 by a. Now look at this very carefully. So what are you getting over here? What are you getting over here? See, from here you are not getting a plus 1 by a. Why? Because that is a plus 1 by a whole square. So what are you going to do? Simple, very simple. Just make that root over. So a plus 1 by a is equal to root over of 3. Put a plus minus for that. Now put the root 3 over here. Just put a root 3 and cube it. Now take this plus this is cancelled out. This is 3 and this is also root 3. Okay, 3 root 3. That's root 3. That's just make sure you take the positive. You are in class 9. I told you so many times. Make sure you take the positive. Now that is, see, multiply. See, I am showing you the long way so that you can understand. Okay. See, if you multiply this 3 times, what happens? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Write this also. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, and you have a root 3 over there. What is a root? Root means power half. Root 3 means 3 to the power 1 by 2. So if you are multiplying 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 2, then what happens? It becomes 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So what does this become? 3 to the power 2 by 2. So that is 3 to the power 1, and 3 to the power 1 is basically just 3. So this is root 3 into root 3 is 3, and you're left with the root 3 that is there. Bring this here. This is a 3 root 3 subtracted, and that is a cube plus 1 by a cube. This is 0. A cube plus 1 by a cube. There you go. Proved again. That's it for today. Okay, this question is also done. Okay, we'll do the next question in the next class, in the next videos. So keep taking as much help as possible from my channel, Math is Possible. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.